Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is general information of API labeled on bag pack. What is API and why is it important? API is the term used to describe the biologically active component of a drug product, such as a tablet, capsule, or injection. API is responsible for the therapeutic effect of the drug, and it is usually derived from natural sources or synthesized in a laboratory. API is different from excipients, which are the inactive ingredients that help deliver, stabilize, or enhance the API. API is essential for the development and production of medicines, as it determines the quality, safety, and efficacy of the drug product. However, API is also sensitive to various factors, such as temperature, humidity, light, oxygen, and microbial contamination. Therefore, API needs to be stored and transported properly to maintain its stability and potency. That's where bag packs come in. Some bag packs are designed to store and transport API or other raw materials for pharmaceutical manufacturing. These bag packs are specially made to protect the API from contamination, degradation, or damage during handling and shipping. They also have features such as tamper-evident seals, traceability codes, and temperature indicators to ensure the quality and safety of the API. The labeling of API on bag packs is regulated by various authorities, such as the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, the European Medicines Agency, and the World Health Organization. The labeling must include information such as the name of the API, batch number, expiry date, storage conditions, manufacturer's name and address, any warnings or precautions. The labeling must also comply with the standards and guidelines of the International Organization for Standardization, the International Council for Harmonization of Technical Requirements for Pharmaceuticals for Human Use, and the Pharmaceutical Inspection Cooperation Scheme. The purpose of labeling API on bag packs is to ensure the identification, traceability, and quality of the API throughout the supply chain, from the producer to the end user. Labeling API on bag packs also helps to prevent mix-ups, errors, or frauds that could compromise the efficacy or safety of the drug product. I hope you learned something new from this video. Thank you for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.